Hello, keyboarding class. It's week 3. In week 2, you were introduced to proper keyboarding techniques, so you're on your way to becoming a skilled typist. You worked on the home row, a number of letters, the shift keys right and left, and then you were introduced to 2 punctuation marks, the comma and the period, the 2 most used punctuation marks. In week 3, you will work with G, H, U, the question mark, that's lesson 8. Lesson 9, it's going to be Q, M, V, and the apostrophe. And then lesson 10 is going to be the Z, Y, the tab, and the question mark. From there, you will have 3 review activities, and you're going to be reviewing everything from lesson 1 through 10. So everything we did last week, week 2, and then in week 3. Let's take a look in the classroom. Okay, so in the classroom in week 3, you're going to scroll down and you're going to read about the 8 benefits of touch typing skills. And when you're reading these, keep in mind how hunting and pecking, the things we discussed last week about hunting and pecking, really don't work well. And so really looking at the 8 benefits of touch typing skills and what that can do for us for speed and accuracy. And then going down to our discussion board. Just remember 4 to 6 complete sentences and proper grammar. No spelling mistakes. And then we have our green puzzle pieces. This is our activities that we're going to do for the week. And so you can do lessons 1 through 10 and then those 3 practice exercises or review exercises. And so just that tip again, right click on the green puzzle piece, open in a new window, and when you go back, you'll still have the tab to easily go back to your keyboarding class. So you did the same type of things last week, so you know the routine. I encourage you to hit the Launch All. By doing that, you won't inadvertently, accidentally miss one assignment. Make sure you hit Submit, and then go back to the next lesson. Okay, here's my weekly shout out to typing.com. If you need additional practice, please give this a try. To vary your keyboarding practice, I'm going to encourage you to play some games this week. You're going to go to typing.com. You're going to click on Start Typing. And then if you want, you can click on Typing Games. I'm going to go over 4 of the different types of games that you could play this week. The first game is called Type a Balloon. This game is good for the beginner, as you can select the level of difficulty. So you see hard, medium, and easy. You can also select the lesson type. And so if you want to continue just to work on the home row, you can obviously make that selection, or the top or bottom. If you want to tackle all numbers and letters, you have those choices as well. So you're going to go ahead and click play. Balloons will start floating up the screen. A letter is going to be attached. You will type the letter to pop the balloon. The balloons will continue until you miss popping one. The next game is called Type Toss. Again, a good game for beginners because you can check and change the level of difficulty. Also, you have hard words or easy words. If we're still in the home row, top row, or bottom row, it'll just be a combination of characters that you type. And this is like a old-fashioned carnival game. You're going to see ducks, pandas, hippos. They're going to come across the screen. They're going to be having a combination of letters or words attached, and you type them to knock them over. Z-Type, this is the third game. This is my favorite game. To utilize the practice benefits of this game, you will need to know how to key letters without looking. The words fall in waves. Each wave will increase in speed slightly. You will type the words as they appear. I like the sound effects of this game. It looks and acts like you are blowing up meteors in outer space. And then the fourth game that I like is called Nitro Type. To utilize the practice benefits of this game, you will need to know how to key letters and a few numbers without looking. You could take a glance, but you have to have a good knowledge of the keyboard to have some fun with this game. This is a racing game. You can log in as a guest and play. If you have an account created, you could race against other real players and log your scores. The first thing is they give you a little typing test, and then they match you up with people who have the same skill level as you. I encourage you to give the game a try. It can be fun. Practicing your speed and accuracy while playing a game, time goes by fast and you're accomplishing something. Tips for a successful week. Again, try not to procrastinate too much. Log in every day. Complete the assignments. Watch the videos. Complete your discussion board questions by Thursday. Submit this week's assignments by Sunday. And contact me. Happy keyboarding.